students. In my today's video, I am going to explain menstrual cycle, which is the continuation of the chapter Reproduction of class 10. Last video was female reproductive system. I would request you all to understand this menstrual cycle. Please go through the female reproductive system. It would become very easy for you to understand. अगर आप वो पिछला मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल को समझना चाहते हैं तो आपको फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम समझना होगा, जिसको कि मैंने ऑलरेडी अपलोड किया है. मैं उसका लिंक आपको दे दूंगी. देन इट वुड बिकम वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. दिस साइकिल इज द साइकिल विच अकर्स, ये लड़कियों में, गर्ल्स में ये आता है. एंड एट द एज ऑफ प्यूबर्टी, जब प्यूबर्टल स्टेज आता है, then it starts. What do we mean by puberty? That also have made you understand in my video sexual reproduction in human beings. I will give you the link. Puberty is the stage in which girls start maturing reproductively. The reproductive maturation starts in girls at the age of 11 to 13. This age is called pubertal stage. इस stage को हम क्या कहते हैं? Pubertal stage कहते हैं. And at this age, all the reproductive parts of the girls matures. All the reproductive parts of the girls mature. Now next what we are going to know, that what do we mean by menarche and menopause? Starting of this cycle in girls called menarche. The starting of this cycle in girls, what it is called? Menarche. And it starts at the age of 11 to 13. And the stopping means when this reproductive phase stops in girls, this is what is known as menopause. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? उसे हम कहते हैं menopause. और ये 50 to 55 के एज में होता है. जब ओव्यूलेशन स्टॉप हो जाता है, ओवरी ओव्यूलेट करना बंद कर देता है, then this cycle stops, this menstrual cycle stops, and that phase is what called, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? उसे हम menopause कहते हैं. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? menopause. So let us know why it occurs. ये different phases हैं इसके. There are different phases. Means I can say that 1 month is divided into different phases accordingly, day wise. एक पूरे मंथ को different phase में डिवाइड कर दिया गया है और हम उसी phase को जानेंगे day wise. We will start day wise. So let us start from this cycle. When it occurs, when this cycle occurs, it remains 1 to 4 days. It remains 1 to 4 days, and that phase is called menstrual phase. उस phase को हम क्या कहते हैं? Menstrual phase. What happens in menstrual phase? What happens that the girls or this through the reproductive part of the girls, the bleeding starts for 1 to 4 days. Why? That I am going to make you understand. Second phase, it stops in 4 days. Usually, normally, it remains for 1 to 4 days. Maybe 1 day, maybe 2 days, maybe 3 days. It varies. ये अलग-अलग गर्ल्स में वैरी करता है. जरूरी नहीं है कि 1 से 4 दिन ही रहे. It depends upon the different types of diet, physical status. It depends. तो after 4th days, what happens? From 5th to 13 days. From 5th to 13 days, there is a phase called follicular phase. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इस phase को हम कहते हैं follicular phase. What do we say? We say follicular phase. What happens in this phase? In this phase, follicle develops. Follicle का बनना शुरू होता है and Graafian follicle बन के तैयार होता है, जिसमें कि एग मैच्योर करता है. और ओव्यूलेशन होता है. लास्ट वीडियो फिर से मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम देखिए, उसमें आपको बिल्कुल समझ में आएगा कि ये ग्राफियन फॉलिकल कैसे बनता है. सो फॉलिकुलर फेज में क्या होता है? ग्राफियन फॉलिकल बनता है, और इस ग्राफियन फॉलिकल के बनने के दौरान exactly at that time, you know what happened? This is what the uterus, the wall of the uterus starts thickening. ये जो यूट्रस के वॉल है, ये वैस्कुलर हो जाते हैं और ग्लैंडुलर हो जाते हैं, थोड़े से थिक हो जाते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग होने शुरू होते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो यूटेराइन वॉल है वो थिक होना शुरू होता है बिकॉज ऑफ अ हार्मोन कॉल्ड ओएस्ट्रोजन. एक हार्मोन है जो कि ओवरी के द्वारा रिलीज किया जाता है, जो कि यूटरस को प्रिपेयर करता है उसके वॉल को थिक करके. For what? That I am going to make you understand. Then the third phase start. And this phase is called ovulatory phase. And this phase start at the 14th to 17th days. Or better to know at the 14th days of menstrual cycle के 14वें दिन ये ovulatory phase start होता है. What is the name of that phase? That phase is what called ovulatory phase. इस phase में क्या होता है? इस फेज में ओव्यूलेशन शुरू होता है. व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय ओव्यूलेशन? ओव्यूलेशन का मतलब है फॉलिक्यूलर ग्राफियन फॉलिकल से मैच्योर्ड एग का बाहर आना. ग्राफियन फॉलिकल से मैच्योर एग का बाहर आना. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स आउट it is this is what ovary, then it goes to oviductal funnel and it is taken by this funnel. It is taken by this funnel. When this egg is released, taken up by the funnel, finger-like projections. तो इनका बाहर आना ovulatory phase कहलाता है. When the mature egg comes out from the Graafian follicle, then it is called ovulatory phase. Ovulatory phase. और तब ये entry लेता है इस oviducal funnel के through fallopian tube में. Fallopian tube में आता है. Then right after that what happened here, exactly here when the ovulation done, one hormone is there which is responsible for this ovulation. एक हार्मोन है जो इस ओव्यूलेशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है और प्रोजेस्टेरॉन नाम के हार्मोन के सिक्रीशन के लिए भी वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट हार्मोन? दैट हार्मोन इज कॉल्ड LH, ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन. ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन. What is the name of that hormone? Luteinizing hormone. That luteinizing hormone, what it does, it is responsible for the ovulation. Estrogen is responsible for the maturing of egg. Then ovulation is done because of luteinizing hormone, and progesterone is also released due to luteinizing hormone. Then the next phase is 15 to 28 days. What happened? 15 to 28 days. What happened in those days? In those days it is called luteal phase. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Luteal phase. What happened in this luteal phase? In this luteal phase, when the egg is released and it goes and stands here, in the fallopian tube for some days, for 2 to 3 days. It remains here for the process of fertilization. Exactly during that phase, ठीक उसी वक्त जो यूटेराइन वॉल है वो थिक होता जाता है और अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करता है कि अगर फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है तो इस जाइगोट को ये पूरे ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द जाइगोट it can be done inside this uterus because the baby will grow, weight will grow, then it prepares itself to hold the baby for continuously 9 months. ये अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करता है बेबी को होल्ड करने के लिए 9 months तक. This is done by it is done in luteal phase. And who is responsible for this phase? One hormone is responsible called progesterone. So see properly, listen to me very carefully, it's very important. I'm sure that you'll be able to understand the whole thing. I told you that 5 to 13 days ovary becomes thick and ovulation, and it prepares for the ovulation. Exactly at 14th days ovulation starts and the egg goes to fallopian tube, and in fallopian tube it remains for few days. For the process of fertilization. Exactly if the fertilization occur, अगर fertilization होता है, then it will get converted into a first cell called zygote. ये zygote में convert करेगा, and then this zygote will come and get fixed itself in the wall of uterus. फिर ये zygote wall of uterus में आके अपने आप को fix कर लेगा, stick कर लेगा, and this process is called implantation. This process is what called implantation. Fixing of zygote in the uterine wall for further development. This is called implantation. Exactly at this time it is already prepared. Now the uterus is prepared and providing nutrition and everything through the placenta and through the tissues, blood tissues. But if there is no fertilization, then what will happen? अब अगर fertilization नहीं होता है तो क्या होगा? Then exactly at this time this egg will not be fertilized. Then the corpus luteum, what I have told you in female reproductive system, I have made you understand that corpus luteum and all those placenta and this all blood tissues, these all will start degenerating. Corpus luteum भी degenerate कर जाएगा क्योंकि fertilization तो हुआ नहीं, and because of that only this corpus luteum comes out after degenerating in the form of blood. And this process is called menstrual cycle. और इस process को हम क्या कहते हैं? Menstrual cycle, which occurs after every 28 days. And what is the proper day for the fertilization? The proper day for the fertilization is from 14th to 17th days. Why? Exactly at that time ovulation starts and this egg goes to the fallopian tube for the process of fertilization. So this is what the whole process of menstrual cycle, and this is what the reason of this cycle in girls. I hope you people have understood this well. I would request you that right after this whole lecture and whole explanation, try to solve these questions. What is the major function of luteinizing hormone? What is progesterone? What is estrogen? What do you mean by follicular phase? What do you mean by ovulatory phase? What are luteal phase? What is this corpus luteum? What do you mean by Graafian follicle? These all you can explain now. You can give the answer of these all questions. In my next video, I am going to make you understand what happens if fertilization takes place. In this video, I have made you understand what happens if fertilization doesn't take place. Then menstrual cycles start. But what happens if fertilization takes place? Then what are the changes will occur in the uterus or in the wall of uterus, in fallopian tube, or what are the changes we'll see in a girl when fertilization takes place. So wait for that video. Till that, okay, thank you, and please like this video and subscribe for the next video. Thank you all of you.